Hi guys, so today we're going to do a sultry and simple makeup look for a date night. So I've already done my eyebrows and I put bronzer on the eyes, and that's our simple eye look. And I just finished applying my primer, so now we're going to go in for foundation and get started. I'm going in with my black opal. Oh, here it is, it's on this one. My black opal foundation stick. I think this color is Truly Topaz. It's like a caramel color. So foundation is done. Now we're going to go in with some concealer and some contour. So that's the contour half done, and now we're going to go in with our black opal contour stick. Well, it's a contour stick for me. I just use a darker complexion, like chocolate colored foundation stick as a contour, and it works perfectly fine. I do makeup, usually my lips get really dry, so I love this like lip oil product that I use. It's like a clear gloss thing. It's awesome. It has almond oil in it and jojoba oil, which naturally are very moisturizing, very, healthy, and they remove dead skin cells and like are antibacterial and stuff like that. Now the rest of the ingredients I'm not so sure about, but I know it's a lip oil treatment gloss and I love it. So I just wanted it to kind of sit a little bit, and now I'm gonna blend it all. You really don't have to let it sit at all because sometimes it's harder to blend the longer you let it sit, and I like to get this one blended in first because that's the one that can be the trickiest to blend, because that triangle stays so put at first. So it's blending perfectly, like it blended with no problem, but if I had let it sit a little bit longer it would have been a problem. And the thing I love about this foundation stick that I use as a contour, this dark one, is that it blends really easily, but yet you can still see the effects. And I just want to talk about real quick how amazing the Tatcha water cream is. If you have oily skin or big pores, it's a game changer. It's a life changer. And the crazy thing is, most people with big pores, large pores, they still try. They do the clay masks, and the clay masks minimize their pores temporarily, but then, their pores get big again. And that's like a person who, that might be temporary. They might not always have large pores. Maybe they're just going through a phase, or like their hormones are raging or whatever. But it's like not cute to Like, makeup never looks cute when you have large pores, so this product really helps with that, and it's a moisturizer. Tatcha water cream. I mean, so many beauty gurus wear it, but I just happen to love it. I'm going to do a review on it once I get my larger size in, because right now I'm using the smaller one, and I want to talk about the size difference. And so I'm going to let that sit a little bit. Going over it one more time. Every time I put bronzer on, I feel like I've come back from a vacation in Mexico. Deadass. My tongue feels so weird, guys. That's kind of like random, but so I just went in with my Sweet Cheeks blush, and it gave me just like some more warmth. This is a very simple makeup look for your date, but at the same time, you know, it's gonna give you like this vibe, this like you just left the beach, like you just left Hawaii or something, like this beautiful glowy vibe. So the next step, after I just brushed out my eyebrows for like the 5th time, they need to be waxed, but you can't even tell because I did such a good job with concealing. So yeah, and the hairs are really, really fine, so it's not some like obvious hot, it's not some obvious hot mess, but I'm just cleaning up a little bit because I've done most of my face now, and I'm just putting things away that don't need to be out. But I never went in and did eyeliner on my, or not under, but I'm gonna do it on the top part of my eye before I do my mascara, so that's the next step. You're incriminating, no disguise. That Justin Bieber song is so stuck in my head. So I'm gonna put more stuff away first. And I'm gonna do the last step of concealer before I do my mascara. And honestly, I should have done that step even before I did my eyeliner, because sometimes it takes off your eyeliner. But hopefully I can maneuver and try and make sure that my eyeliner stays put. And it should be pretty easy, especially since I have it at the top and at the bottom. So I'm going in with my 3rd and final step for concealer, which is my Laura Mercier. So I start off with a liquid concealer, then I do a powder, and then I end with my Laura Mercier. And the second powder that I use is just like an off-brand. You could use any one, but like, yeah. And under my eyes never gets oily, of course, just my T-zone, but yeah. I'm still gonna let it sit a little bit, you know, the basic amount of time, like, which is 3 minutes? No, not 3 minutes. Is it? Yeah, it is actually. I thought that sounded way too long, but 3 seconds is actually way too short, so I don't know, maybe I'll do like 2.5 minutes or something petty. In the meantime, in between time, I'm going to go in with my angled flat brush with some highlighter under my eyebrows. And my palette here has a good one, but this one's even better, which is just an elf one. Something about this one's like really like beautiful. Now I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna dab the chin and forehead, and then I'm gonna sweep the under eyes away. But this is good stuff, guys, when it comes to like keeping you mattified. So finally I'm gonna sweep away the under eye part of my concealer, and let's go. Laura Mercier, you're a genius. I would just like to, I wish I could personally hug you, maybe one day. Not today. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm sending you air kisses and hugs. And guys, look at my curls. I put some curlage and some waves in my hair today. They naturally had some waves when I woke up, but I added it too. And some people like to ask me, like, is that your hair? Like, is that all yours? Yes, 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 yes. I've always had a lot of hair. I've always had really long hair. It is what it is. And I actually have enjoyed, like, whenever it gets cut really short and cute, I enjoy it while it lasts because my hair grows so quick that it never lasts long. And yeah, so thankfully my top eyeliner is still intact, and now we're going to go in with a little bit of highlighter on my nose. We just did the eyebrows, now we're gonna do the nose. And I'm just gonna take this little like piece that fell off of it. Like so. Okay, so lastly we have mascara to do. I'm using the Better Than Sex. So we've done everything. The makeup is done, and the last step is just the lips. So we haven't done everything. My bad. Going in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Enough didn't come out on the thing. Way better. I'm just going in with this like mauve-y pink color that's called Coffee, just to bring a little bit more color to the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, because it is pigmented, but it's very lightly pigmented, which I love on like a chill day when you're just like going for a hike or doing something nature involved. But on this date, honey, we want a little more flavor and a little more color, and that's why I just went in with the, like, I did a little bit of brown. I used this lip liner called Cocoa from just like a beauty supply type shop. Yeah, so I went in with Cocoa, put the Fenty lip gloss on, and then I followed up and went in with Coffee and put the pinky, it's like a, I don't know why they call it Coffee because it's pink, but it's like a pink brown, like a pinky brown, like a mauve color, a mauve. It's very mauve-y, and it's gorgeous, and it's added that little pop of color to it. And we're done. That's it, guys. Enjoy your date with this simple, glowy, warm, sultry makeup look that's gonna make whoever you're opposite of feel warmly invited and just be like, I don't know, there's like this subtle glow to her, but it looks like you kind of could have on like no makeup. Honestly, it's not that over the top. There's no crazy bright colors. There's no official giveaway that you have on like a bunch of makeup, to be honest, because my eyebrows are like this even with nothing on them. Like, my eyebrows are naturally just thick and dark, So it could not be makeup. It really could. Like, even if I just woke up and did nothing to my eyebrows, they would be dark. So a lot of things just look like natural. The only thing it looks like obviously you put lip gloss on, but even the color, I mean, you can't even tell that the color is like made, you know, like we went in there and we added like 3 tones to it, right, to build on that like kind of dewy gloss. But it looks like you could just have like, you just put on some Vaseline and came out looking dewy and fresh, and it just looks like, oh, you know, I just woke up looking this fresh and bronzed and tanned and beautiful. I didn't have to do anything to look this refreshed and for my under eyes to look this bright and well rested. I just woke up like this. So yeah. And I'm not saying you're trying to like sell a lie, because at the end of the day, someone who loves you is going to love you with your dark circles under your eyes and no makeup on. But you of course want to feel your best and feel super confident on this date. And so I'm absolutely 100% certain that this tutorial will make sure that you do feel 100% your best on this date. So enjoy. Have a great night or day whenever you're watching this. Like and subscribe below for clear skin and prosperity. And I promise you, when you show love to other channels show love to you. So liking and subscribing to my channel is only going to help your channel grow. And you need to understand that that's how it works in life. And especially in 2020, we're out here winning. So thank you so much for your support. My awesome dudes that support, all the mermaids, and yeah, have a good one. Oh, give me other video ideas that you want for the future. And that's it. All right.